Finding the best plumbing in Temecula, CA can be a daunting task. The best plumbers are the ones that have experience and can quickly do emergency plumbing tasks when needed or perform a long-term plumbing repair with attention to detail. We Care can handle all your Temecula plumbing needs, from plumbing repair in Temecula to general plumbing service. We Care is the best plumbing company if you live in the Temecula area. Plumbing repair in Southern California Temecula should only be done by We Care. They are the professionals. We Care Plumbing, Heating, Air, and Solar Temecula. Everything from plumbing maintenance to plumbing repair features and benefits in Southern California Temecula. Check out other Best Plumbing Service Company in Temecula CA videos. Best Plumbing Service Company in Temecula CA, We Care, 41,085 Golden Gate Sur, Marietta, California 92562, 951-373-2736, https://www.wecareteam.com/ Visit our local Best Plumbing Service Company in Temecula CA page, https://www.wecareteam.com/locations/Riverside/Temecula/